Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself with a chart absolutely covered in trend lines, shapes, and notes on TradingView, and you just want to wipe the slate clean, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest and fastest way to delete every drawing from your charts on TradingView, so you can start fresh without any clutter. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to clear away all those old markings in just a few clicks. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's head over to TradingView. If you're not already there, just open up your browser and type in TradingView.com. Give it a second to load, and if you aren't logged in, just pop in your details. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. It's important to make sure you're looking at the correct chart, so if you have multiple layouts or windows, double-check you're on the one you want to clean up. Now at the very top of the page, you'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Products. This menu is where TradingView groups together the main features they offer, so if you're ever lost, this is a good place to look for charts, screeners, or trading tools. For now, we're focused on our chart, so make sure you're in the charting section. Here, where TradingView makes things really user-friendly. If you look along the side of your chart, usually on the left or at the bottom, depending on your layout, you'll notice a vertical toolbar filled with different icons. Drawing tools like trend lines, brush, and so on. At the very bottom of this toolbar is a small trash can icon. This is basically your reset button for drawings. Go ahead and click on that trash icon. When you do, you may see a little pop-up asking if you're sure you want to remove everything. This is TradingView's way of making sure you don't accidentally delete important work. Take a quick moment to double-check. If you want to save any specific analysis or markings, you might want to screenshot or copy them before going further. If you're ready to clean everything up, confirm the action. And that's it, you've just removed all drawings from your chart. Your workspace should now look completely clean, giving you a fresh perspective for new analysis or setups. It's almost like resetting a messy whiteboard. All traces of your previous notes, sketches, and ideas are gone with a single click, and you can start visualizing new trades without any distractions. If you're a visual learner like me, this is a great way to avoid analysis paralysis caused by too much old information. One thing to keep in mind, this action only deletes drawings like lines, shapes, and text. It won't remove indicators or chart data. If you ever only want to remove a specific drawing, you can right-click on it and delete it individually, but if you want the fastest clean sweep, the trash can icon really does the trick. So if you ever feel overwhelmed by too many markings or you just want a fresh start, remember this method. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always redraw or re-annotate your charts. Trading and analysis is all about flexibility. Alright, I hope you found this quick guide helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your own chart cleaning tips, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading platform tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.